Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you and teach you step by step how you can create a subtask for your tasks in your project sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into this, guys. So what you want to do in the first step is head over to Smartsheet and log into your account. After that, let me navigate to the home section and show you each step of the process. So the first step would be, or the second step in this case, would be to select a workspace. To do that, click into all workspaces here and select one of your workspaces. So let me go with this one here. After that, select the given sheet in the list of workspace items to the left. Let me go with this one here, project sheet, click into it. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is switch from the grid view to, for example, the table view or the board view or the Gantt view. But you can also stick to the grid view for the sake of this tutorial. It's totally up to you. So what you want to do, guys, is go through that list of tasks here, for example. There you go. We got one task, another one, all of these listed here. So you can, for example, there are two different ways how you can create subtasks. You can, for example, and that's option number one, make one of these tasks listed here, make the subtask of the task above and make the task above the parent task of the subtask below. As you can see at that moment, guys, these 5 tasks don't feature any subtasks and there are no parent tasks, but you can convert each one of these into a subtask of the one above. To do that, for example, let me go with the lowest one, project review meeting. And what you want to do is select the given task or row with your left mouse. And here in that customization or that list of tabs, you will see that feature or function here, indent. So click into it or use the shortcut Control J, and that is going to convert your entire row, the entire task, into a subtask. So let me do that really quickly. And at the same time, guys, you will see that minus button here for the parent task above. This task has been now converted into the parent task of the subtask below, and you may expand or collapse this menu and access the subtask below if you like, and you can do that with any other task. So let me, for example, create a completely new task here. Task 1, 2, 3, ABC for the sake of this tutorial. And as you can see, this task has been automatically listed as a subtask, but if you'd like to make it a normal task, simply use the indent or outdent buttons at the top. In this case here, click into outdent and that is going to convert that task into a normal task. And that's basically it. You may also, for example, customize your subtask as you would, for example, do with any other task as well. You may, for example, attach files to the specific subtask by clicking into this paperclip icon here to the left, attach a file to this row. For example, if the given subtask features different instructions like PDF documents or images and so on and so forth than the parent task, you may, for instance, add reminders for the subtask. You may assign other contacts of yours or assignees here by clicking into assign to. And basically, guys, customize your subtask the same way you would like, or you would, for example, customize normal task and parent tasks. So you can, for example, create also subtasks of subtasks. To do that, click into the task below and click into indent and into indent again. And now that subtask here has become a parent task of the subtask below. And you can do this as often as you like, for example, and also change the position of your tasks. For example, if you'd like to make the task here at the very top a subtask of one of these, simply hover your mouse over that square here on the left panel till you see that icon or that cursor, left click, hold your left mouse and move that task to the very bottom. And now use the method I just showed you, convert that task into a subtask using the indent feature or use the shortcut Control J. And now this task has become a subtask of that parent task. And that's how you edit and customize the hierarchy between these tasks in your project sheets on the Smartsheet and create subtasks, guys, step by step. Let's leave it at that and call it a day here. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.